to the Price is Pearl Life with me, Katrina. Cue the intro. So welcome back. Our welcome on today. In this video, it's a quick clean with me. You know how I'm going around my house 8 to 10 minutes or 8 to 15 minutes and tackling a small job in a short amount of time. So today, it's my bedroom dresser. And I'm just giving it a light cleaning with my favorite Sprayway glass cleaner. So I purchased this framed wall art from the at-home store, and I left that on just in case I wanted to return it. But by this time, it's a keeper for sure. I'm loving it in my space. To all of my existing subscribers, welcome back and one big hug from me to you. If you're new here, please don't be a stranger. Go ahead and like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell twice so you never miss an upload from the priceless Pearl Life. So these are a few of my favorite perfumes, but I would love to try some new scents. So down in the comment section below, please drop me some of your favorites. Listen, nothing too flowersy smelling and nothing, absolutely nothing that smells like wood. So this little piece was a DIY. I don't quite remember where I purchased it from, but I gave her a little painting. Well, it needs a little touch up, but I gave her a little painting and I simply dropped a couple of bracelets on it and call it a day. And I purchased this faux flower arrangement from Burlington's for only $16.99. And just like that, my dresser is clean. Only one thing left to do: burn a candle. Thank you so much for stopping by the Johnson Ranch on today. And as I always say, 8 to 15 minutes, you can get one of those jobs done to make your Saturdays or your main cleaning day a little bit lighter. So I'm becoming more active on IG and Facebook. So make sure to follow me at The Priceless Pearl Life. Videos are posted on Tuesdays and Fridays at 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Make sure your post notification bell is set so you never miss one of my exciting uploads. Until next time, stay safe, stay blessed, and remember, you are absolutely priceless. I already look forward to seeing you on my next video.